Hi everyone, Sierra here with Florida Girl Living. It is the end of a very long, challenging day. I got home from work today, didn't even have time to put any makeup on today. So here you go, fresh faced, or not so fresh, but barefaced. And I received a Sephora order. So I've got it here. I thought it would be fun to unbox it with you because I kind of forget what I ordered. I remember two of the things. One of them for sure is something I've never had before. I've never had anything from their brand. And actually, well, okay, I'll give you all the detail as we get to each one. Also, I have not purchased from Sephora in a long time, like so long that my all the insider points I had, like I'm like bottom of the rung levels of loyalty or whatever. I had a few points, not a whole lot, but they expired because it had been so long since I've shopped at Sephora. Because as I just kind of slipped, I typically just shop at Ulta, and it's only because it's a matter of convenience with the store being in the town where I live and Sephora being like a half an hour drive away, if not more. So, anyways, let's get into this and see what I ordered. I had a discount to use. So, and there was a few things that I wanted to get. And actually, okay, even at my age, I do sometimes get influenced, not always, but I did see a product that another YouTuber purchased and I wanted to try it because I needed it anyways. So, and then there's also some samples in here. So I may or may not go through every single item. The first one is this dry shampoo. I don't know how to pronounce this brand. Maybe it's Dae, D-A-E. I saw this on Alexandra Rodriguez, her channel, and it's called Fairy Duster Dry Shampoo. I only wash my hair twice a week, so I do like to use dry shampoo, and I've just been trying different ones. This looks like it came loose in shipping. It most certainly did. Goodness gracious. So, ooh, and I got a whiff of it. I hope it's not going to be too strong. We'll see. She had said it smelled pretty good, like candy, which I do like the concept of a sweet smelling product. I have to be very, very careful with fragrances because, as I've mentioned in other videos, my husband is very allergic to fragrances, but there are some that he can tolerate. It just kind of depends. So we'll see. This was a little strong. It did smell, to me, it smelled more like lemons. But anyways, I'll go ahead and give it a little try. I have a mirror set up here, but I don't know the best place to put it. I don't want to get out of frame or too close. I did just wash my hair this morning. Ooh, yeah. Mm-hmm. We'll see. I'm only going to do the one squirt tonight, and it does have a nice texture though to it, I can tell. Seems like you will not need very much. Like, yeah, a little goes a long way, I think. We'll see if he comments on the fragrance, and if this ends up being a return, I'll just post it in the comments and let you know. So that's the first thing. I've been using Not Your Mother's, and they have one that's fragrance free, and I do like it, but sometimes it's nice to try other things. The one that I've been using prior to this is actually right here on my counter. It's from Bedhead, called Dirty Secret. This does have a little fragrance, but it hasn't bothered him yet. But then again, sometimes it changes, it morphs. It's like what was tolerated at one time sometimes no longer is. It's very strange, but it is what it is. So for now, I can still use this, but it is an aerosol, and I just kind of wanted to try something different. So we'll see, like I said. Okay, next item is a lip liner from Charlotte Tilbury. All these years she's been around, her products have been around. I've never had any up until a week ago. I bought from Ulta because I saw it there at the front register. I think I saw this there too. The classic Pillow Talk lipstick, and I bought it, and I do really like it. Actually, I've been wearing it quite a lot, and I thought it would be nice to have a complimentary liner. So this liner is in the color 2 medium. I was just looking for something very neutral that kind of matches the color of my lips. I don't know if it will look very good to put makeup on when I have no makeup on, but I guess let's go ahead and go for it. So let's see. Put it on just really nice and faintly. It does have a nice texture. It goes on very nicely. I would say it's pretty close to, it's very complimentary of like the natural skin color of my lips, which is what I was looking for. Just, I don't want something to be too bold. Okay, I like it. So I'm going to go ahead and put the lipstick on just so that I don't look, I just don't go around without any, with just the lip liner on. It does make a difference because I don't have the fullest of lips, especially my upper lip seems to be disappearing the older and older I get, especially on this side. I almost think that there's maybe like some scar tissue in here. I don't know what from, maybe acne, but I feel like my lip line on this side on the upper is like almost non-existent. So it is nice to put a little bit of lip liner right there where I don't feel like I'm overdrawing it, maybe only a hair, but I'm really just putting in a very faint line to where I feel like it already is. So I didn't mean to make that popping noise. At least not on camera, but hey, there you go. So there it is with the two together. This is the Pillow Talk, like I said, along with the number 2 medium Pillow Talk lip liner. So yeah, I really like this combo. This is definitely going to be like an everyday wear because it's not too pink or brown or red. It's just kind of neutral. I also like kind of a mauvey neutral. Those are kind of my two go-tos. Okay, next, and we have some samples. I think I mentioned that. What else did I get? What else did I get? Is this a sample? Okay, that's a sample. Oh, right. Okay. This was also like a sample, but more of a like a you spent so much so you can choose something bonus maybe. So this is a mini by Kosas. Again, I've never used Kosas, and this is the so this says it's a free gift, not for resale. Wet lip oil and air brow clear lifting treatment gel with lamination effect. So yeah, let's go ahead and unpackage this and put it on. I know I'm probably going to look crazy without any foundation or eyeliner or just having little bits and pieces here. Okay, we'll go for the lips first. Yeah, that's pretty. I like that. That's very pretty. It actually looks really nice layered on top of the Pillow Talk. So there's that, the Kosas. I don't know if it says a color on it. I'll look on the box. Or maybe I already mentioned it. It's the end of the day, you guys. Wet lip oil gloss, plumping treatment gloss in unbuttoned, soft warm blush. So the color is unbuttoned. Okay. And then for the eyebrows, I don't do anything special with my eyebrows. When I'm going out like to dinner or friends or whatever, I'll put like a little bit of eyebrow filler pencil just to kind of like fill in some patchy areas and stuff. That's a tiny little applicator brush. So right now, like I said, they're kind of sparse. I'm usually pretty simple when it comes to my eyebrows. I don't get them waxed. I do trim them because mine tend to grow long and then they'll start to kind of curl a little bit. So I brush them up and then trim probably once a week. Seems like they grow pretty fast, but they are very thin here on the sides, especially, and then a little bit along the top. I'll give a little bit of fill in with a pencil. I like this. That's very nice. I'm glad I chose that as my free gift. Okay, and then the last thing I ordered, again, this is one I've heard of this brand, but I've never purchased anything from them. Westman Atelier. This is the Clean Glow Trio 2 Petite Sticks. I don't even remember what it is. Okay, Face Trace Contour Stick. Okay, and then Lit Up Highlighter Stick and Baby Cheeks Blush Stick. Okay, contour, highlight, blush. All right. Again, putting all that on without any foundation. I'm probably not going to look the best, but hey, it's okay. So it comes in this little trio of 3 kind of samples. I think this was in the Sephora Clean Beauty section, which is nice. So I wonder which one's which. Truffle. Let's see. So there's truffle, brulee, and dodo. I don't know. DOU. I'm sorry. I'm usually pretty good with language, but that one is, I don't know. And I'm also not really much of a contour person, but let's go ahead and just give it a try. Oh, okay. I'm just going to use my fingers because we're just being super casual right now. I'll have to play around with this. Did that do anything for me? It's a very nice tone. I've tried using contour. You know, I grew up, my makeup days were really originated in the 90s. We didn't have contour. I think we had some bronzer, but I don't really remember. I don't think it was very popular. Like, it was probably just getting started. So I've always just been kind of a bronzer girl, not really a contour person. So I will have to play around with this. I am definitely not a makeup artist, although I've grown up around makeup for pretty much all of my life. Watching my mom put her makeup on, watching my grandma. My mom was an Avon rep when I was a kid, so we were always looking at samples and stuff and playing with her makeup, playing with grandma's makeup. She was big into Estee Lauder. So that was fun. So I like this. It's a nice texture as well as color. So this one is the Brulee. I'm guessing this is the highlighter. Oh, it's like a dark highlighter. I was expecting a much lighter color. So let's see. Oh, that's very nice. That's really pretty. I feel like you could even use it as like an eyeshadow. Why not? I was not expecting to get glammed up this late at night, so I'll have to go wash this all off right before bed. Oh, I really like this. I like all of these actually so far, and I like the nice small size. It seems like it'd be small that you could put it in your purse or something, like a little makeup kit. Those are, and I like the package too. I'm gonna have to look more into this brand because I'm liking it so far. And also, I have not noticed any strong fragrances. So this must be the blush, Baby Cheeks, not Baby Face. Okay, this looks kind of purpley raspberry. So let's see. Also, there's so many different ways to do makeup. I remember when it was popular to like put it in on the apples of your cheeks. Then it's like I've been into this style lately, so I'm not sure which way. And right now I'm actually like, I'm kind of warm, so I'm already flushed. I don't actually need blush right now, but just since I want to show you, I'll put it on. But I am already like really rosy and flushed, so. Oh, okay. Oh, that's a nice color. Yeah, I like that. You know, I'm not doing my makeup to go out. I'm just putting this on as like for a first impression. But that's very pretty. I do like that a lot. Yeah, I'm super happy with this. I just kind of randomly put it in my cart. I think I was trying to like maybe get to a certain dollar amount or something. I'm not sure. I don't remember what my reason was for choosing this. But that's so pretty. I'm feeling really good about this. Okay, so was there anything else that I actually bought besides this and the lip liner? Oh, yeah. Okay, so the three things were this kit, the lip liner, and then the dry shampoo, and then all the rest are samples. So I got the free gift from the Kosas, and then there's a couple samples in here. I don't think I'll open these because it's sort of like you have to use them up. For some reason, I thought there was supposed to be 3, but that's okay. So this is, I guess the brand Wishful Get Clean. It's a cleanser. Okay, so we'll try that out. Maybe I'll take it in the shower and try it. And then this is Huda Beauty Faux Filter Luminous Matte Full Coverage Liquid Foundation. And there's a few different colors in here to choose from, or you can also mix some around. I would say, I mean, from the card, it looks like I'm a light medium, but I might actually be a medium, or maybe I'm a little bit in between. It's kind of hard to tell, but yeah, maybe I'll use that this weekend. But anyways, that's it for my Sephora unboxing. So I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Talk to you in my next video. Bye.